स्वागत है आपका शॉर्ट हैंडियंस गॉट इट चैनल पर। वीडियोस अगर पसंद आ जाएं तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा। लेटेस्ट डिक्टेशन और जॉब नोटिफिकेशंस को पाने के लिए बेल आइकन प्रेस कर दीजिएगा ताकि आपको टाइम पे आपकी डिक्टेशंस मिल सकें। थैंक यू सो मच।
Start. Advani Private Limited for brevity. The petitioner slash financial creditor has filed the present petition under Section 7 of the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code, 2016, read with Rule 4 of the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Petition to Adjudicating Authority Rules, 2016, with a prayer to initiate the corporate insolvency process against Messrs. Starlit Power Systems Limited. The respondent, stop para. The respondent, namely Messrs. Starlit Power Systems Limited, is a company incorporated on 4/3/2008 under the provisions of Companies Act, 1956, with having its registered office at LGF, Safdarganj Enclave, New Delhi 110029, which is within the jurisdiction of this tribunal. Stop. As per the master data annexed with the petition, the authorized share capital of the respondent company is rupees 12 crore and its paid up share capital is rupees 10 crore. Stop. As has been stated in petition, the respondent is involved in manufacturing of lead acid batteries for diverse purposes such as automotive, e-mobility, solar, inverter and UPS. Stop. The company is also engaged in recycling and refining of lead-based products. Stop. The petition espouses thus: para. The respondent approached Messrs. Advani Private Limited, hereinafter referred to as financial creditor, room number 522, 5th floor, Old House Corner, Kolkata, for its working capital requirement and had projected a need of rupees 1 crore. Stop. The petitioner had accepted the request of the respondent and gave the money in installments as per the requirements projected by the respondent at an interest rate of 12% per annum on mutually agreed terms and conditions, which were reduced to writing in the agreement dated 9/4/2019 with the respondent. Stop para. In compliance with the payment schedule as mentioned in the agreement, petitioner made subsequent payment of rupees 89 lakh. Stop. As per the terms of agreement at the time of borrowing the said loan amount, the respondent had promised to petitioner to pay principal along with interest, which the respondent till date has failed to return. Stop. The creditor reminded the CD through repeated telephone call, WhatsApp, SMS message, and also held many personal meetings with the directors, staff and authorized personnel of the respondent to realize its principal and interests and to ensure that the liability is eventually duly and completely discharged, but to no avail. Stop para. The particulars of the total unpaid dues and the date of default as mentioned in column 2nd of part 4th of the petition reads thus, in the wake of the aforementioned, the financial creditors slash petitioners have prayed for initiation of CIRP against the respondent. Stop. In terms of our order dated 13/1/2023, we observed that the petitioner therein had not specifically mentioned any date of default in part 4th of the application filed by it, and being not a bank or any NBFC, it could not have granted working capital loan in normal course. Stop. Having so observed, we directed the petitioner to place on record the documents espousing its eligibility to advance loan in terms of Section 186 of Companies Act, 2013, stop. In terms of the aforementioned order, we had also directed the petitioner to file its audited balance sheet and annual returns in Form MGT for the financial year 2017-18 and 2018-19 along with statement of its paid up share capital, free reserves and security premium account qua the said years, stop para. In compliance of the aforementioned order dated 13/1/2023, the petitioner filed additional affidavit dated 23/1/2023, espousing therein the petitioner had advanced financial debt to the respondent on 29/4/2019 and the amount was disbursed on different dates commencing from 2/5/2019 for a term of 2 years from the date of first disbursement, that is 2/5/2019, stop, over.
तो दोस्तों ये डिक्टेशन आज की हो गई है, और जिस किसी को भी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस चाहिए हैं ऑडियो और पीडीएफ के साथ, वो पर्सनल व्हाट्सएप मैसेज कर सकता है। अबाउट सेक्शन में जाकर यूट्यूब के अबाउट सेक्शन में नंबर दिया हुआ है, आप व्हाट्सएप कर सकते हो और आपकी रिक्वायरमेंट बताकर आप डिक्टेशंस और पीडीएफ ले सकते हो। थैंक यू सो मच, बाय बाय।